Ready for the final video in our Halloween Horror Nights series from Universal Studios Orlando? Today, we're diving into the Major Sweets Candy Factory, a house that really took me by surprise. But before we get into all the sugary horrors, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the scary content we have coming your way. My experience at the Major Sweets Candy Factory was nothing short of unforgettable. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with the unmistakable scent of caramelized sugar, like walking into a candy shop from your childhood. Only this one has a dark twist. The house is brightly lit, with clear illumination that highlights every gruesome detail, making you feel like you're walking through a candy factory that's gone horribly wrong. The theme was executed impeccably. From the oversized candy-making machines to the twisted confections lining the walls, the attention to detail was incredible. The actors were everywhere. It felt like every corner had someone ready to leap out at you, each one in character as workers or candy monstrosities who added to the overwhelming atmosphere. At times, it felt like you were being pulled deeper and deeper into a story that was much more than just sweets. What really stood out was the number of actors and how involved they were in creating this immersive experience. I kept asking myself, how many people are in here? Because it felt like they were coming from every direction. In some scenes, I was completely surrounded by them, which kept me on edge the entire time. And of course, the bright lighting, instead of being comforting, made the space feel sterile and eerie, as though the cleanliness was hiding something sinister. The lights accented the impeccable details of the set, showing off every prop, every grotesque candy creation, and every unsettling smile from the actors. The sound effects were also spot on. Between the mechanical sounds of candy being produced and the unsettling background music, it all added to the feeling that this was a place where nightmares were crafted. Even with the bright lights and vibrant colors, there was an undercurrent of horror that followed you through each room. The journey through the house was a bit longer than I expected, which gave plenty of time to fully experience the intricacies of the setting and characters. Despite knowing it would be scary, I still found myself caught off guard by several of the well-timed jump scares. And with the constant presence of actors, there wasn't a single moment where I felt at ease. So, if you haven't experienced the Major Sweets Candy Factory yet, get ready for a sweet ride through a world of terror. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other reviews of the Halloween Horror Nights haunted houses. This year's lineup has been amazing, and you don't want to miss out. See you in the next one.
The Walking Park. Fun content.